What is up, YouTube? Today I am going to talk about how I got all of my videos in certain sections here on Google search. So, as you see there, I've typed in fast track to healthcare electronic health records, and you see this is my video that comes up. There's a second one, third one, and a fourth one. And I happen to know that electronic health records is also listed as EHR. If I put that in, I'll get even more of my videos that pop up where I used EHR and EMR in my shorts. Also, my other video has come up with me with coding. So, how did I do all of this and get my videos onto the Google search? Well, first I will tell you. As we see here, we are looking at our screen of Google purchasing YouTube and them celebrating their anniversary of that purchase in 2021. So it's been 16 years now that Google has taken over and decided to buy YouTube. So, what is Google really? Google can help you search and find, but I just want to tell you a little tiny bit about the history of the Google founders. So, remember this part of Google where you can kind of actually look at a book? Some of them had pages to the left that you could get. You could try out the books. It was a search service. Well, the owners of Google actually were two PhD candidates. So they were educators in engineering and computer science, and they wanted to get information out to people, kind of like an online library. And this online library type thing would allow people to go in and get access to information, read through some books, and read through content. But as you see, things have been updated. We even have the QR code on here now. As them being both tech guys, you can imagine that updating the app would be a great thing. So it makes sense that the Google owners then buying YouTube would want YouTube to kind of work so people could get information through YouTube as well, just in another way. So I decided, okay, if Google owns YouTube, and of course they would want their products to work together, YouTube has a search very similar to Google search, and surely they would connect it, right? So I put it to the test. And sure enough, I was able to type in information to see what people were searching. And as you can see, I have a lot of videos that come up in regards to fast tracking your career in EHR, which is electronic health records. I can also print the whole word out, depending on what people may search. And it may give them a slightly different video of mine, but again, it still does give them fast track to my videos, which is great. So, what should you be doing as your channel? How can you find out what's trending? Keep in mind, if you're looking at someone else's video and they did it more than like a week ago, it is no longer trending. So you're going to have to pick a trend that is current. So if someone did a video a while ago and you're like, I don't know why it's working, this used to work because the trend is over. Trends do end. So at times, I will look at other trends that fit my video and I make sure it's in there. Now, I'm not going to lie about what my title is. I'm not going to pick a clickbait video. EHR is a way to fast track into healthcare. If there is another topic I happen to find, then that's what I will do and retitle my videos so people that are still searching for my type of content can land on my YouTube channel. So let's just say you have a travel channel and you want to know what type of travel to do. I would type in travel and scroll down to what people also ask. So if people are asking these questions on this channel on Google, they feasibly might be asking these on Google. Here's the thing. There are people that use Google that never go to YouTube, but You want them to go to YouTube because you want them to watch your video. So allow people on Google to actually find you by actually creating content or videos you may already have that fit topics people are searching for. So, right here, you may have had a video about why travel is important to you or what the best travel sites are, but you might not have known that people search that topic. So, make that your video. Maybe you have a soul food channel or you do soul food. So, I'm just going to type in soul food and see what comes up under soul food. And I scroll down here and it says people also ask what foods are considered soul food. Or maybe if and I can type in here and look at what comes up. I've never Googled what soul food is because I happen to know what it is, but other people have searched it, and maybe you need people to come to your content to find out what type of food it is. Soul food, what is soul food? What is the meaning? Maybe you can do a video on the meaning because clearly people have Googled it. So if they've Googled it, sure enough, they may want to watch a video and a demonstration on how this is done. I'll do one more topic. So I type in wellness for adults. You've got wellness activities for adults, wellness appointments, wellness checks. So let me scroll down to see what people are asking. What are 7 areas of wellness? What are 8 areas of wellness? What are 4 major factors that affect wellness? Maybe you have some things on your channel that connect to this information. If people are searching this information, they could land on your video. Just like for my videos here, if I type in fast track into EHR. And, I see other topics, fast track in the medical billing, fast track database, fast track. These are all industries I actually work and or teach in. So I'm always curious what my students are searching for, what my coworkers are searching for, and many of them use Google at work. So really, if you have a topic that you want them to know, make sure it is something searchable. And as I mentioned, you see all of these videos and even shorts that come up. Even my coding videos with EHR come up. So make sure you know that Google is connected to YouTube. I mean, Google owns YouTube. So use all of those tools together. Use their search tools to actually find out about their new roles. I'm actually going to show you that. So we have this section where we can kind of look up YouTube and you see that the thing that comes up above the ad there is a section for support google.com for YouTube. And when I go here, you will see that all of the information for YouTube and their videos are here. I will be doing my next video on spam and deceptive practices because they've changed some guidelines here, as you can see, under their misinformation community guidelines and their misleading metadata, using thumbnails where the thumbnail doesn't match the video, or using hashtags where the hashtag doesn't have the information suggested by the hashtag, or potentially using some sort of scam or video scams or spams or something like that. As you can see in here, they have a quite lengthy section of things that have changed. Sub for subs, they have updated the meaning of that section in spams and deceptive practices. So I will be doing another video on that. But if you want to go ahead and search, go right to Google and search for the YouTube items that you are searching for. YouTube and Google are friends. They are partners. Google bought YouTube. So these tools can work together. They can help you grow your channel and maybe keep up on those analytics These analytics change all the time, and I am here to keep you updated on those changes. So, hopefully, this information has helped you in your videos and maybe how to get some more views on your videos, using your skills on how to title your videos and all of that. And I hope that you see some success from it. My name is Carla from Carla's Career Shortcuts and your YouTube updates. Please subscribe and or like if you find this content valuable and hit that notification bell because it really does help my channel. Thanks everyone and take care.